I'm back again. I'm back again to do another video. What's up, world? It's your girl, Jewel here. Shout out to my mother-loving jewelers in the building. So, you all, my name is Jewel, y'all. This is where I focus on love, growth, and personal development. So, if you into all that good ish, make sure you subscribe to the channel, y'all, so you can become an official jeweler of the Jewel Show. So, today, y'all, I just want to come on here. Because y'all, me and my babies made a year. I've been a year locked up, they won't let me out, no. Y'all, it's been a year since I've been locked up, y'all. Now, to get into this video, you all, in honor of my 1 year, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way that I'm sure is going to help you with your journey. Number one, the first thing I've learned, or one of the things that I've learned now that I've been a year locked, is that you will have ups and downs, so embrace the journey, baby. Now, with my specific journey, I have lost 2 locks. I know. It's scandalous as fuck. I lost 2 locks, y'all. At first, it was just one that was kind of like thinning out. But now, you all, I took that one out because it was hanging on by a thread. It was hanging on for dear life. And I noticed a second one doing the same thing. So I'm like, shit, is it me? Sometimes my ends on my locks, like it bud out and I can literally like snap it off. And that's because my hair is dry and it's giving the girls brittle. So I talked to my loctician, shout out to Red, and she was just basically saying how, like, you know, people hair just be thinning. I switched up some of the oils I use to make my roots stronger. They're right at the front too, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see, but you see, let me come over this side. You see I have this Barbie pin right here is holding these hairs back. I lost 2 right in the front. That's not why I had this style, because I still, for the most part, can style my hair. I mean, I'm not giving the girls a middle part bust down, but I can still do styles with my hair that you can't notice. But make sure you're putting oil and water on your hair. Water first, oil last. Those are the tips that's gonna make your hair the healthiest and the strongest. So, embrace your lock journey. You started off with the little Rochianas. That is cute. That is fine, y'all. You're going to be more proud at the end when your shit All right, y'all. So, the second tip I have for you all is be mindful of the rubber bands that you're using in your hair. I don't use the regular scrunchies like I did when I had like my natural hair out. How you do like the back elastic. I don't know if you could see it. I know you could see it, but it's like there's no rubber band. It's just like a scrunchie form, and it doesn't hold my hair too tight or feel like I'm pulling it. That's why I can wear this ponytail all day and not have discomfort. And I'll drop a picture up here too, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Definitely style your hair with those, cause less breakage. And you can really get a tight ponytail without you feeling like you're really pulling at the root of your locks. So that's a pro tip for the girls out there, right? I have been wearing my favorite brand, y'all. It's called Hustle Pray Eat. I get into it. I absolutely love this brand, y'all. I love the fact that I can wear things that inspires me to continue to do the things that I do daily, right? As entrepreneurs, y'all, it is important to always see your goals. What better place to see your goals than on yourself, y'all? If you like wearing stuff that means something that matters and to help you become a better you, be sure to go to hustleprayeat.com, y'all. And when you check out, I got a special gift for you. You can use my code JEWEL15 so you can get 15% off your entire purchase, y'all. Be sure to head over to www.hustleprayeat.com, y'all, and then check out. Use the code JEWEL15 for 15% off your entire purchase. But back to the video. The tip that I have for you all is to please make sure you're documenting the journey, because right now I'm focused on like coloring my hair with this color wax that my loctician has. She color my hair all the time. I've had it purple, I've had it blue. It started off red, so I think my next color is going to be green. I let the kids at my job pick out my hair color, so I felt like the consensus was green. So I think I'm getting green next time. Make sure you document your journey, y'all, so you can go back and tell the girls, like, started from the bottom, now we're here, and your hair is so just make sure that you're documenting the journey, y'all. Have fun with your locks. And a little bit of disclaimer. And we could talk about this. Let's talk about this topic in the comment box. Are the girls upset when they put a weave over their locks? Is that really the drama? Me personally, I don't care. I feel like that's one of the perks of having locks, that is versatile. You can get box braids. You can still get whatever kind of style you want. And I feel like there's nothing wrong with you tucking in your locks, girl, and put it on the middle part bust down. I don't know. Comment how you feel, because in the lock community, the girls are kind of like, no, you're a disgrace. I'm just like, whoa, whoa. But document the journey. Do document the journey, right? Another tip, pro tip. Y'all, make sure that you are finding products so you can marry and change later on. What I mean by that is play around with products just so you can know what really works for your hair. Because you want to get your hair into a routine. For me, like, because my locks were, because I had 2 locks that was thinning out, I may have used a heavier oil like castor oil, or like the wild growth hair oil, things like that is going to produce something. You can use that and marry that for a while until you feel like your locks have that, and maybe now you want to go on the shine, how to have a good shine on your locks, or the next thing you feel like you may need for your lock journey. If it works for you, it works for you. And you don't gotta follow all the trends unless you're just looking to upgrade. But if something is working for you, stick to it, girl. Marry that bad boy. It'll serve you better in the long run. All right, y'all. My last tip I think I have for the girls: learn how to do your hair yourself. This is coming from a girl who got locks because I didn't know how to do my natural hair. Learn how to retwist. Learn how to fix your own locks to where if you want to go get your hair done, because me getting my locks done with my loctician is a form of self-care for me. You need to learn how to retwist your front, your perimeter. You know what I'm saying? So when you're trying to eat the girls up, you're giving the look that you want. Because most times I like my hair like this. I don't like all the time the fresh retwist, the snatch look, because I want to give the girls earth. I want to give the girls Garden of Eden. I want to give the girls, down to earth. You know what I'm saying? Some soul, right? And then sometimes I want to give the girls snatch. Look at me. I'm a bad bitch with my locks, and you're not. You know what I'm saying? It comes in different waves, but like, I can't give one look if I don't know how to retwist. You know what I'm saying? Or like, if my locks are thinning and I don't want to have to cut the lock off, I should know how to reattach a lock. Some of these things that you just should know how to do because you're a girl with locks. You know what I'm saying? So learn how to do the basic things just so when you want to get your hair done, you can. But say if you can afford to, you can snatch that mug up yourself. Those are my tips, you all. I hope that you like these tips. I hope that this encourages you to get your locks, keep your locks, and be sure to follow me on my social medias, my Instagram and my TikTok, where I do post my locks and what they're doing for the day and what new oils I'm trying now until I find my perfect one. So be sure to follow me on my social media so you can stay updated on just a small glimpse of my day-to-day life, you all. Be sure, if you want to be an official jeweler of this channel, you all, make sure that you all do like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to comment below if putting a wig over your locks is not the move for the lock community. Always, y'all, I love you all down and I love you all to life. Always remember that the bottom is way too crowded. Be sure that you're elevating and motivating yourself so I can see you on the top right next to me, y'all. I love you and God loves you. Have a great one. Deuces.